Alibaba, take your top off, let it pop off, mama, give it to your papa. Looking at you, take a lot to, not to. Everybody knows, got the hose and the sauna. Everybody knows I could be a little drunker. Put it in reverse and I put it in your bumper, humper. They could always be a little younger. You're the lumberjill and your boy is the lumber. Got so much back that you could call me J-Lo. Building so fast that I ran out of Legos. Just bought a runway for my new tornado. The game is mine, I can't let go my ego. I told my mama I was gonna be drunk. It's in my bones, all I wanna do is stunt. From the window, we shout it. We keep it pimpin', we bout it. There's nothing but the realest in this building. As far as that goes, there's no way to describe just how I'm feeling. As far as that goes, give me everything under the ceiling. This is perfect. Hallelujah. Must be the promised land. I'm getting dickered. We can do that candid camera, just don't tell your sister. Y'all already know it's on a low. Bitches know I'm running trains, no hobo. Why yeah? I party a lot. Coochie coo mama, I wanna hug you on the spot. I do you, you do me, we quit pro. Fuck your mama, we go somewhere where that trick won't go. I told my mama I was gonna be drunk. It's in my bones, all I wanna do is stunt. From the window, we shout it. We keep it pimpin', we bout it. There's nothing but the realest in this building. As far as that goes, there's no way to describe just how I'm feeling. As far as that goes, give me everything under the ceiling. This is perfect. Hallelujah. There's no need to be nervous. Please take comfort, I am focused. Dr. Props at your service. Straight up, I don't remember shit from last night, but by the smell of my fingers, I had a great time. I told my mama I was gonna be drunk. It's in my bones, all I wanna do is stunt. From the window, we shout it. We keep it pimpin', we bout it. Clap yo, bounce.
What the fuck are you doing?
Next.
I like your style.